Right, open my new TANGEM wallet right here, guys. I just got this one brand new today, October 13. I pre-order it. It's coming right now. Nice wallet, guys. I'm going to set it up later on. Let's see how it looks like. New wallet, guys. Open my new wallet. TANGEM. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Ta-da! Got two wallet, guys. Look, two right here. Brand new. Just open it. Nice, huh? Okay. The new wallet. All right. That's all. Nothing left. Just two cards right here. Get started. Okay. I got to set up later. You guys will see. All right. Bye bye.